at the price you need.
What are you doing at the fireplace?
That's our promise.
Silly. You're obsessed with it.
Safely.
You're crazy. I'm going to have handprints all over my fireplace. Woo, dance. Oh, she's on the move. Where's she going now? I bet you she's going over to the electronics. Oh no, the curtain, so she can pull the curtain down. You're going to pull that on your head. Come on. Come on. Come on. Over this way. No way, Jose. There you go. Woo! Turn around and stand up. Here. Liv. Livy. Here.
Just scratch and win.